Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you in PHP how to display multiple table values into HTML table. And here we got the final output: the country name from the country table, state name from the state table, and city name from the city table. The country name: C name India, US and Australia. S name is the state name, and the city name from the city table. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before writing the coding part in PHP, first we'll check the table and the column names I want to join. For this demo tutorial purpose, I am using 3 tables. One for the country, and second table is a state, and the third one is a city. Now my aim is I want to join these 3 tables: the C name from the country table, S name is the state name from the state table, and the city name from the city table. And these 3 columns I want to join into a HTML table using PHP. Let's start the coding part. I'm using Notepad++ to write the PHP code. First, in this Notepad++, I'm adding the PHP tags, question mark. Now the first thing, I'm adding my connection string variables. The first one is a $host name, which is the local host. The second variable I'm adding the database name, DB name is equals to my database name is the sample DB. I'm adding sample DB. Dollar username is equals to root, which is a default one. Dollar password. I don't have any password to log into my phpMyAdmin database, but if you have any password, just add that one. Now I'm connecting to my database using MySQL connect method. $con is equals to MySQL underscore connect method. Host name, localhost. I'm adding the localhost variable, comma. The second variable is a username. Copy and paste, comma. The third variable is a password. I don't have any password, so I'm leaving blank only. And the fourth one is a database name, which is a $DB name. Copy this one and paste here. After adding the connection string variables in the connect method, now I'm adding the condition. If the connection variables are wrong, I want to display the error message: the connection is failed. So if MySQL underscore connect underscore error number echo failed to connect MySQL phpMyAdmin database dot MySQL underscore connect underscore error method. If the connection is success, I want to fetch the records from the database. $result is equals to MySQL underscore query method. Now this query method takes 2 parameters. One is the connection object, and the second one is the SQL query. The connection object is $con, comma, between double quotes I'm adding the select. I'm joining multiple tables, the country, state and city. From the country table, I'm adding the country name, C name, state name from the state table, and the city name from the city table from country T1, I'm adding alias name for the country, which is T1. Inner join state table T2. When we are joining the tables, the column names between the joining tables must be similar. On T1.cid is equals to T2.cid. See here, I have added the column CID. T1.cid is equals to T2.cid. If you notice, in my country table, the CID column, which is a country ID column, is available in the country table, as well as in the state table also the CID column is available. So with the help of the CID columns, I'm joining these two tables. Inner join city T3 on T2.sid is equals to T3.sid. In state and city table, the SID column are common. That's it, we have added the connection string object and the select statement. Echo center I'm adding header tag join multiple table values into HTML table. Echo h2 php MySQL phpMyAdmin database. Semicolon echo. I'm adding the horizontal line. After the horizontal line, I'm adding a table. Echo table border is equals to 1. tr, I'm closing the tr tag. Now between this tr tag, I'm adding the table header. I'm closing the th, country name. The second header is the state, and the third header for the column city name. Now here I'm using while loop to fetch the records, the country name, state name and city name. While $row is equals to MySQL fetch underscore array method, and this array method takes the result object variable echo tr td I'm closing the td between double quotes, $row between single quotes. I'm adding the CNAME, which is the country name column name. Copy this one. The second column is the S name, which is a state name, city name. The third column name is. Let's close the tr. The final step, let's close the table and the center tag. Echo table echo center time. The last one, let's close the connection string. MySQL underscore close method. I'm adding the connection object. Let's copy this one and paste here. That's it. We have done the coding part. Let's save this file. PHP multiple tables display .php. I'm saving this file in the root folder www. Save. Let's check the results. Enter. And oops, we got here. Let's fix that one. See here, we got MySQL. Let's save this file. Enter. And here we got the final output. The country name from the country table, state name from the state table, and city name from the city table. The country name, C name, India, US and Australia. S name is the state name, and the city name from the city table. That's it.